Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, traction control, remote engine start, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual airbags. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.